everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is going to be awesome, so get ready. The human ear is an amazing organ responsible for both hearing and balance. It's divided into three main parts. Outer ear. This is the part you can see. It includes the pinna, the visible part of the ear that helps funnel sound waves into the ear canal. Middle ear. This contains the eardrum, a thin membrane that vibrates when sound waves hit it. These vibrations are then transmitted through three tiny bones, the hammer, anvil, and stirrup, to the inner ear. Inner ear. This is where the magic happens. The cochlea, a spiral-shaped structure, converts sound vibrations into electrical signals that are sent to the brain via the auditory nerve. The inner ear also contains structures responsible for balance. This is a simplified explanation, but it gives you a basic understanding of the incredible complexity of the human ear and its vital role in our perception of the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.